This morning, I'm going to begin with a story on the front page of the Jamaica Observer. The story is headlined, "Danger to Democracy. Concern as large number of police and soldiers shun electoral process." And the Observer is reporting this morning, as Jamaicans prepare to go to the polls for the country's 19th general election, there is concern that the persistent low turnout at the polls by members of the security forces could weaken the island's democracy. The worry is that the lack of interest in voting by members of the Jamaica Constabulary Force, JCF, and the Jamaica Defence Force, JDF, raises questions about the viability of the country's democracy and the message their disengagement sends to the public.